Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really exciting collab with Colourpop. We're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop and NBA collection. Would include the PR box right here, but this thing is massive. So I will include like little clips of it right here. But this is super exciting. So this is their like first collab with the NBA. And I think if I saw correctly, like on their Instagram, they said that they're also like the first brand to ever collab with the NBA, like makeup wise. So that is super exciting. Yeah, I know I saw like a lot of people saying like this kind of random, but like honestly, I don't think it's that random. Like I know a lot of people that like do their makeup like based off of like the team colors and stuff, so like I don't think this is random at all. I think this is super fun and super exciting. So I have my Lakers shirt on right now in honor of the video today, so I'll be doing swatches and all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. So this collection is launching on October 15th, so when you guys are watching this, I think it'll be today, October 15th at 10 a.m. PST. Hopefully I got this up earlier than like the launch, but I'm not sure if codes will be working. I think they might, but you know, it's always kind of up in the air with Colourpop. But if you guys do want to use my code, it is just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. I will put that on the screen, and I'll also leave that down below for you guys as well. There are 6 teams in this collection. So the teams that we have are the Lakers, we have Golden State Warriors, Boston Celtics, Miami Heat, Dallas Mavericks, and Chicago Bulls. So there are like little collections for each team. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette for each team. We also have a Glitterally Obsessed, a cream gel liner duo, and also a makeup bag, which is super cute. I love this so much. Also little face stickers. Obviously, I'm focusing a little bit more on the Lakers today just because I'm born and raised in LA. I've been a Laker fan my entire life. So if that's why I'm showing like this one, that's just because I was like the most excited for this one. There are 6 teams and a lot of products in this collection. I think I'm just going to do like a little separate clip of all of the swatches. So I will include swatches of the eyeshadow palette, the cream gel liner duo, and the Glitterally Obsessed. And I'll also show like the little stickers as well, just so this video won't be like too long and I'm not like talking through each one. But you know, overall, I mean, each palette basically is like the team colors. Like Lakers, it's purple and gold. Dallas Mavericks are like blue and kind of like a darker gray. Miami Heats are like reds and blacks. Same for Chicago Bulls. Those two kind of looks a little similar. The Boston Celtics ones is greens. And then we have the Warriors, which is gold and blue. So yeah, those are like that. So like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to insert swatches of each little team collection right here. So I will see you guys after the swatches.
I'm gonna go across the country to school. I've been thinking about it early and I made up my mind. Is that cool? I wanna know it'll be hard to set my minds far and always new. Yeah, I think it's what I wanna do. And baby, no, you can't see it's the best place for me, but I'm guessing that it's different when I'm looking from your point of view. From your point of view, oh. I said, baby, you've got things to do, and that's alright with me. But just know that when you come back home, in the same place I will be. Going into it, I'm thinking that's gonna be hard on both of us. So we can talk about it now and just fool around. It's one of us thinking that the other one is feeling, and we're both gonna cry. I know I'm tongue-tied, I've tried to take time to realize the other side isn't as scary as it seems. But the point is, girl, that I got you now. So if you let me keep loving you and show you how. If you just believe me now. And I know you know some things never change.
so those are all of the swatches for each team. I hope that those swatches were helpful for you guys. Obviously, my favorite one is the Lakers, but I'm biased. But yeah, I don't have prices of anything at the moment, but when I do find out prices, I will list that down below for you guys as well. Yeah, I'm honestly super excited for this, and I hope that they continue to do like different team ones. I don't think that this is random at all. Like I said, I saw a lot of comments saying like what a random collab, but like I don't think it's that random, because me being the extra person that I am, I would always do stuff like this for games and things. Even like in high school, like I would do that for like our school team. Yeah, this is a look that I came up with today. I did use the Laker collection. I'm sorry I couldn't use like all 6 team colors, but yeah, I obviously have to do the Lakers. I feel like I should go to a game right now. I'm totally like in the spirit. This is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. Obviously, I'm using the Lakers palette. I'm gonna use like the glitter and also the liners, and I think the little stickers as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Legend, which is this purple shade. Put this in my crease. I wish there was like a lighter purple to like use as a transition shade, but it's okay. So I'm going to pack this on the outer corner, kind of just like where I want this color at. I'm just going to pack that on there. Whatever's left on the brush, I'll start bringing that into the crease. So I'm just building this color up gradually as I go, just so I get the best color payoff and the most like seamless blend. I see most of that color on the outer corner. And with a clean brush and just go over the edges. Now that I kind of have that in my crease as like a light crease shade, I'm going to start building that up a little bit at a time now, just to kind of intensify that a little bit more. So once I have that down in the crease, I was able to build it up nicely and blend it out and stuff. So I'm going to take Lake Show on my lid. I'm going to pack this on first. I'm going to go over it with MVP, which is like the yellow shimmer. So I'm just going to put this on just kind of as like a base, just so the shimmer will pop a little bit more. Just packing this on. And you can obviously like cut your crease and do this too, but I can't even remember the last time I did a cut crease. I just like don't have the time to do that anymore. Out. And then I'm going to take that shimmer. I'm going to take that on like another kind of flat brush, and I'm going to wet this with some setting spray. It pops a little bit more. Just going to pack that on top. Exactly like that. Ooh, this is really pretty. Kind of doing like a half cut crease just with this shimmer. Like I'm not doing like a real one, but I'm kind of faking it just by using this shimmer. Back with that purple shade Legend. Just kind of blend that into that shimmer so everything just blends nicely. I'm going to take a little bit of the triangle, this shade right here, put like that towards the center, just so it kind of blends a little bit. I'm just gonna use my finger, honestly, just so it blends a little bit easier into that outer corner. That's kind of what I want to do for right now. Yeah, let me do this on this side really quick. I'm gonna put my foundation on and then we'll finish up like the rest of the eyes. Go ahead and finish this eye up. I did my foundation and bronzer and all that stuff. I forgot I have an appointment in like half an hour, so I'm trying to like hurry up. But we're gonna use the cream gel liner duo. I'm going to use the gold one in my waterline. This one is called Fadeaway. And I'm just going to put this in my waterline. You guys know I love the cream gel liners. They're my favorite. I'm going to put that purple shade along my lower lash line so that gold will pop. Going back into the palette, and I'm taking Legend, which was that matte purple that we were using earlier. And I'm just going to put this along the lower lash line. I'm going to connect that to the top as well. I'm going to go about halfway, and I think I'm going to use that shimmery purple towards the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm just stopping about like halfway, connecting that to the top. And I'm going in with the triangle, which was that shimmery purple in the palette. Well, one of them. I'm going to put that towards this inner part right here. I'm going to make sure to blend into that. Use some of the Glitterally Obsessed I usually don't use them on my eyes, you guys know that, but since it's like a fun look, I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna kind of take some off on the back of my hand. This is such a cute glitter. And I'm just gonna put some on my lid for some fun. I don't usually like to use these on my lid because I feel like it kind of makes my makeup kind of move a little bit, but it's okay. Take a little bit of that on my inner corner. Cute glitter, I love that. Okay, obviously you don't have to use that. These are like not intended for the eye area, but you know, use at your own risk. And then I am gonna take one of the little stickers. These are so cute. I love these. I don't know what I'm gonna use. I feel like I need to go to a Laker game today looking like this. I'm gonna take this one. Hello. If I could get it off, that'd be great. Oh my god. Oh no, I just ripped it. Ugh, crap. There we go. I did rip it a little bit, but oh well. I'm gonna just put that right there. No, I don't like it right there actually. I feel like that's a little too big for my liking. I'm gonna take one of the little stars on here. I feel like the L was just, it was doing a lot. And like, I'm not going to a game. If I was going to a game or something, I'd be wearing that, but I'm just here. Are so cute though. Put that right there. Great, I got my hair underneath it. Like, that is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up like my mascara and lashes and stuff, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So this is the finished look. I think this look is so cute. This is like exactly what I had in mind when I saw like the palette and stuff. So this is something I would totally wear to like a game. I love being extra and like doing the colors of the team and stuff, so I would totally wear it. I love the little stickers. I think that is so cute. A lot of like mixed comments about this collection. I mean, I love doing stuff like this for games. Like, it's so fun. Like, I hope they do one for like baseball. Like, that would be super cool. I would love to see that. And I feel like it will do really well. Like, I totally understand why they did this. Like, I don't think it's like that random to me. Overall, like, I like this collection a lot. I think it's super cute. I love the Lakers. I love the little makeup bags that they did with it too. It's gonna be either like you like it or you don't, you know? You either like basketball or you don't, you know? You like, it's just one or the other. But I know that there's a lot of people that were like, oh, I like this color story too. Like, I don't even like basketball, but like the color story is really pretty. I love purple. So this was like right up my alley, and I love the Lakers. So yeah, I love this. I think it's super fun, and like I feel really cute. Overall, I definitely give this collection 2 thumbs up. I thought the palette performed well. I love like each little individual thing that they did for the collection. That they did like not just a palette, they did like the glitter, which I totally think that the glitter, like, I'm not a huge fan of glitterally obsessed, you guys know that, but I think that was like a must for that, because I feel like, you know, that's fun. Like, I would totally put that on for like the game, put it like on my cheeks or whatever. The eyeliners and the little stickers, like everything was so cute and perfectly like created for each little team. So yeah, I like this collection. I definitely recommend it if you are like a basketball fan. I think you should definitely pick it up. I like want to put the little Lakers one like on a display. I think it's so cute. You know what your guys' thoughts on this collection are. Are you guys gonna pick anything up, or are you guys gonna skip on it? Like, you guys just like don't care about sports at all. Anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.